In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy a Tinkercad link the right way, whether you want to share your design for viewing or invite someone to edit it with you. This is a super useful skill if you're working on 3D models, circuits, or classroom projects, and you need to send your work quickly without confusion. If this video helps, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy step-by-step software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's cover the easiest option, which is copying a link for viewing. This is the best choice if you want someone to see your Tinkercad project, but you do not want them making changes. Start by going to your Tinkercad dashboard and finding the project you want to share. When you see the project card, hover over it and look in the top right corner. You should see a small gear icon, which is the options menu. Click that gear icon, then select Properties. Inside Properties, look for the Privacy setting. By default, many projects are set to private, which means only you can access them. If you want to create a shareable viewing link, change that setting from private to public. This is an important step because the link will not work the way you want unless the project is publicly visible. After switching it to public, scroll down and click Save Changes. Always make sure you save before moving on. Now go back to the project thumbnail and click it again. A window will open, and this is where Tinkercad gives you the shareable link. At the bottom of that window, you should see a link box. Simply copy the URL from that box and send it to anyone you want to view the project. They'll be able to open it and see your work without needing to edit anything. Now let's talk about the second method, which is copying a collaboration link for editing. Use this option if you want someone to work with you in real time on the same Tinkercad project. To do this, open your project by clicking Tinker This. Once the project opens, look at the top right toolbar. You should see a Send To button. It usually looks like a square with an arrow pointing upward. Click Send To and a menu will appear. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that menu and choose Invite People. From there, click Create Link. Tinkercad will generate a new collaboration link that allows others to join your project. Once the link is created, click Copy Link. Now you can paste that link into a message, email, or classroom chat and share it with your partner or team. One quick tip, always double check whether you are sharing a viewing link or an editing link. If you only want someone to look at your design, make sure the project is set to public and that you copy the correct URL. If you want collaboration, use the Invite People option instead. That small difference can save you a lot of confusion. So to recap, if you want to share your Tinkercad project for viewing, go to the dashboard, open Properties, change Privacy to Public, save the changes, and copy the link from the project window. If you want to share for editing, open the project, click Send To, choose Invite People, create the link, and copy it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.